Hello viewers, once again welcome back in our new video. In this video we will discuss one of the important topic, and I am sure this topic will be important for a person who is earning. Guys, as we know that in Income Tax Act 1961, incomes are taxable. But what about illegal ones? So guys, today's topic is how illegal incomes is taxed in India under Income Tax Act 1961. Guys, related to this topic, three main questions may be arise in your mind. The first one is whether illegal income is taxable. The number two, after paying tax, is offense condoned. The last and the important one is government becomes party in offense after taking tax. So guys, without wasting our time, let's start the video now.
Hello viewers and students of AITCS. Welcome to the AITCS official channel. We are once again with a very simple but important topic, और उस टॉपिक का नाम है हाउ इलीगल इनकम इज टैक्स्ड अंडर द इनकम टैक्स एक्ट 1961 इन आवर कंट्री। हमारे देश में इलीगल इनकम के ऊपर इनकम टैक्स कैसे कलेक्ट किया जाता है, व्हाट इज़ द प्रोविज़न रिलेटेड टू टैक्सिंग इलीगल इनकम। साथ ही साथ वी शैल ट्राई टू find out the answer of certain questions which usually arises in the minds of students as well as all the taxpayers who are concerned about income tax. वो क्वेश्चन है कि अगर इलीगल इनकम से अर्न की हुई इनकम पर टैक्स लगता है तो क्या टैक्स लेने के बाद उस इलीगल इनकम जैसे अपराध को गवर्नमेंट माफ़ कर देती है। इज़ द ऑफेंस फॉर अर्निंग इनकम इज़ कॉन्डोन आफ्टर कलेक्टिंग टैक्स। साथ ही साथ ये क्वेश्चन भी उठता है after collecting income tax on the income earned from illegal business, the government becomes a party, क्योंकि it is a justified well established principle of law कि कोई भी व्यक्ति अगर किसी के अपराध में शामिल होता है तो that person is treated as co-accused of the crime. If the same principle of law is put here, तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट इलीगल बिजनेस से टैक्स कलेक्ट करने के बाद उस क्राइम में, उस ऑफेंस में पार्टी बन जाता है कि नहीं। टैक्स कलेक्ट करने के बाद इज द पर्सन इज प्रोसिक्यूटेड for the offense any other law which is prevailing in India. So in this video session we shall try to find out the real scenario of taxing illegal income in our country, as well as we shall find out the answer of these questions which has been discussed earlier. So students, before going through the topic at a length, let us see what is the legal provision of Income Tax Act 1961 regarding taxability of the income earned through the illegal source. So the related provision of the income tax is on your screen. Let us read it for the sake of simplicity, and it is on your screen. How illegal income is taxed in India under Income Tax Act 1961. The income tax law doesn't make any distinction between income earned from a legal or illegal sources, but by bringing the profits of an illegal business to tax, the state does not condone it or take part in the crime, nor does it become a party to illegality of business. The assessee might be prosecuted for the offence and yet be taxed upon profits arising of its commission. However, any expense incurred by an assessee in carrying on such illegal business is not deductible. Explanation to section 37 subsection 1. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आपने देखा कि इनकम टैक्स लॉ लीगल बिजनेस और इलीगल बिजनेस, लीगल सोर्स ऑफ इनकम और इलीगल सोर्स ऑफ इनकम में कोई डिफ्रेंशिएट नहीं करता है। मीन्स लीगल सोर्स ऑफ इनकम पर जिस तरह से टैक्स लगता है, इन सिमिलर वे इलीगल सोर्स ऑफ इनकम से भी टैक्स लगता है। सो हियर इट इज पर्टिनेंट टू नो दैट व्हाट इज द इनकम फ्रॉम इलीगल बिजनेस और इलीगल सोर्स। इनकम टैक्स एक्ट, इनकम टैक्स लॉ does not define the meaning of illegal business or illegal source. We have to go by it by applying the general meaning or dictionary meaning. So the illegal business वो बिजनेस है that is forbidden by the law, जिसे कानून के जरिए प्रतिबंधित कर दिया गया है, वो बिजनेस जो है इलीगल बिजनेस है। या ऐसे सोर्स ऑफ इनकम जो कानून के द्वारा प्रतिबंधित है, दैट इज़ फॉरबिडन बाय द लॉ, ऐसे सोर्स जो है इलीगल है। इफ़ वी टेक द एग्जांपल, स्मगलिंग ऑफ गुड्स इज फॉरबिडन बाय लॉ, गैम्बलिंग और बेटिंग इज ऑल्सो फॉरबिडन बाय लॉ। So any income earned from these sources or from these business can be termed as illegal business. But come to the point of the discussion, the income tax does not make any difference between income earned from legal business or illegal business. It is equally taxable, but there are certain specific rules has been framed while taxing the income from illegal source of business. Now come to the answer of the question. जब कोई भी व्यक्ति इलीगल सोर्स से अर्न की हुई इनकम पर टैक्स दे देता है, तो वो इस अपराध से बरी नहीं होता है। The offense is not condoned even tax is paid on the income earned from the illegal sources. The person is prosecuted not under the Income Tax Act but under any other act which has been enacted particularly for the punishment for the offences. टैक्स देने के बावजूद भी भारत सरकार द्वारा निर्मित किसी अन्य विधि के अंतर्गत उसके ऊपर मुकदमा चलाया जा सकता है। सो पेइंग टैक्स इज नॉट अ वे टू कंडोन द ऑफेंस। इसके बाद इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट उस व्यक्ति से टैक्स कलेक्ट करने के बाद डज नॉट बिकम्स अ पार्टी, बिकॉज इनकम टैक्स बीइंग अ फिस्कल लॉ, it is not a criminal or civil law. So the same principle of law which has been laid down under the criminal or civil is not exactly applicable here. The government is immune from being prosecuted even after collecting the tax from the person who has earned the income from the illegal source. So it is quite clear the government doesn't become a party and the person may be prosecuted. एक important provision है कि अंडर सेक्शन 37 जो expenses किए गए हैं इलीगल बिजनेस को अर्न करने के लिए, वो expenses अलाउ नहीं होंगे। For the sake of the simplicity and clarity, if we take an example, suppose that an assessee has earned income of rupees 1 crore through illegal means and he has made expenses of rupees 50 lakh for procuring that income. That means this 50 lakh will not be treated as an expenses which is allowable by the provision of section 37. It is totally disallowed. So the income tax will be imposed on rupees 1 crore without any deduction. So students, before concluding the video session, once again एक बार फिर से सिंपल भाषा में इसको दोहरा लेते हैं. पहला, there is no difference between illegal income and legal income, it is equally taxable. दूसरा, after paying tax the person's offense is not condoned, he may be prosecuted. तीसरा, after collecting tax from the erring assessee who has earned the income from illegal source, the government of India doesn't become a party to the crime. And last one, the expenses which has been incurred for procuring the income from the illegal source is not allowed under Income Tax Act. So viewers and students, hope that you have understood the topic. If anyone has any comment, suggestion, he may write to the description box. If anyone wants to take income tax, GST, TDS e-filing with us, please write for the prospectus at the WhatsApp number given in the description box. Thanks for watching.